Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A tutorial on this look will be coming soon, just so you know. But today we're going to be doing a haul. Or I've already done a haul, or many hauls, and I'm going to be telling you guys about them. So if you're interested in this video, let's just head right into it. So, I did film a tutorial of this look, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's head into what I picked up. Bunch of things. I have stuff from ULTA, I have stuff from Sephora, I have stuff from Influencer, and then some random items here and there, and I'm just going to zoom through these so I don't bore you guys. Holidays are coming. Are ganging on us. The holidays are almost here, so there will be many more hauls, I'm guessing, to come soon. So, let's start first with ULTA. I went to ULTA and I picked up the Emily Noel and Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit, the wands. I picked up this palette. Had to go to 4 different ULTAs to find it, but I did, and I got it, and here it is. Next, I picked up a bunch of stuff from the Dose of Colors and Desi x Katy collaboration. I bought the Friendcation palette, the highlighter in Fuego, and the two, this is the new formula, Liquid Velvet lipsticks, and this is in my main and a Mauve story. And that's actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. A Mauve story. So that's what I got from ULTA. I'm really excited to play with those. I'm not going to swatch or open anything right now because I plan on doing dedicated videos for each of those products. So you guys are just going to have to come back and see that. But let's head into my Sephora order. What I got from Sephora. So I picked up this guy right here. This is the Milk Makeup Meet the Fam collection, and it's kind of all over the place right now because I opened it and played with it and actually filmed a video just now with it. So yeah, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of Milk Makeup's best-selling products. So it ranges from skincare to makeup, even has the Kush mascara in there, and it's a great deal, so I was really excited about picking this up. I also picked up 2 more things. Haul! I got these babies right here. These are the new Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions and Ruby Obsessions palettes. So I'm really excited about those. We'll be doing dedicated videos for each one of these babies, but I'm really excited. I had so much trouble trying to pick which ones I wanted, if I wanted the blues, or these. I even looked at her original Obsessions palettes, and I decided on these 2. First of all, they're very holiday-ish, and second of all, I have palettes that have a lot of blue in them, and then I have palettes that have a lot of neutrals in them and purples because I just got the Norvina palette, so I wanted some things that were unique. I don't have a palette that has a lot of reds in it or one with a lot of greens, so I picked these 2 up as well. So that's everything that I got from Sephora and ULTA. Next, I made a purchase at Juno & Co. There's such a hype over these brushes, the furry brushes. I mean, the furry sponges. So they actually had a deal going. It's like there was a discount for 4 of them, 2 of each kind. So they're both microfiber fusion sponges, but there's the microfiber velvet sponge and the microfiber fusion sponge. So I bought 2 of each because they came in a set. I also picked up their Better Makeup, Better Price. Oh, okay, what is this? I don't know, but this is another sponge that they have. See that? I just really like the shape of it. It's very, it feels very similar to a Real Technique sponge. So I picked this one up. And then I figured I'd do a full face just using Juno & Co. applicators. So I picked up a brush set from Juno & Co. as well. So I'll have all the things that I hauled listed down below along with where you can find them. But these were very, very inexpensive. I think I only paid like, I want to say, how much did I pay? Oh, so the whole brush bundle was only $12. And then the micro sponge set was, the micro sponge set, the bundle was $18 for the 4, and the brush bundle was $12. And I think you get 5 or 6 brushes. So that was a really good deal. The last 2 things I have were sent to me from Influencer. So I got this box from Influencer. This is Joa. This is the new K Beauty line that is being sold exclusively at CVS. And I got this packet right here. I will show it to you guys. This is what she looks like. So there's an eyeshadow palette, a brow palette, a felt tip eyeliner, and a liquid lipstick. So I will be doing a dedicated video just for this, but this is what she looks like. So that is that. And lastly, I got this box from Influencer. I think I participated in something and won, and they sent me this little care package. But something about this care package that I'm really excited is they sent me these lippies from L'Oreal. So I got, I got some shampoo and conditioner, some Suave Smoothing body lotion. Yes, body lotion. And then this from the Tree Hudson Skincare. This is an exfoliating mud mask. But they sent me these, and I actually tested out one of them. This one I've actually been wearing a lot. This is the L'Oreal Color Riche Matte Lip Liner in 112. And this is a great shade, and I've been loving this a lot. But they also sent me a red one and a darker color. So they also sent me 102 in Matuated With You, 114 Matting Call, and then 112 is Mastermind. Mastermind, that's funny. And then they sent me these 3 lippies that go with them. 402 Blake's Red, so I'm guessing that's Blake Lively. Blake's Red. Ooh, stunning red. Then we have 804 He Think He's Macho. That's a deep, dark, nice deep nude. And then Masterpiece 802. Oh. That's her right there. So I will be doing like a video of like swatching these because I love L'Oreal lipstick. So I thought that was great that Influencer sent that to me. And then lastly, I have this item, and I was reached out to by the company Promise Liquid. It's a liquid multi-effect Dead Sea mud mask, and they sent this to me, and I want to try it out. It looks cool. And it comes with one of these silicone sponges, and this guy right here, and I guess you just, it smells minty. It smells like Mask of Magaminty by oh my gosh, by Lush. And so I'm going to do a video with this because I'm curious if it works. Probably include it with a skincare video and we'll test it out. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. That is my haul. And yeah, so there will be a lot more hauls to come because it is the holiday season. Get it? Holiday season. Oh my goodness, I'm so smart and so lame all at the same time. Alright, so that's it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Stay tuned for all the upcoming videos using these products, of which I used for today's look. So you're just going to have to stick around and see which products those were that I used for this look. But I am thoroughly enjoying it. I stepped a little bit outside of my comfort zone, and I like it. I hope you guys like it too. Alright, so thank you so much for sticking around. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.